Now, this is the Dragonfly. It's a paper airplane that I found on funpaperairplanes.com. Let's get it, try. Let's see. Woo! Good one. That one flies great. Yeah, loop right back to you. So you like the Dragonfly? Oh. Alright, this was a pretty good experiment. Whoa! Where's our Menard? Can you get the Menard?
What's it look like?
So we have another plane.
Picture of it.
Okay. Well, it's in the movie. This is the Menard, another design we found on Fun to Airplanes. Let's give it a try. Let's see how it flies. Oh, a little in the ground.
Let's try that again.
Yeah, let's try that again. Ah, that was a great flight. Let's see if we can get ready. I'm going to throw the Dragonfly at the same time you throw it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Woo! Wow, the Menard did a loop. Excellent. Here we go. This is the Flying Ring. We're going to give this one a shot.
Whoops. Whoops.
Okay, if Ryan stops dropping the Flying Ring. This is the Flying Ring. We're going to give it a shot. Woo!
Let's try that again.
Yeah. Try not to throw as hard, okay?
Okay.
Just give it a nice gentle throw because you had some really good throws with that. Yeah! Look at that one! And that was the Flying Ring. Nice and soft, yeah. Woo! Very nice.
The wind helps.
The Flying Ring.
The wind helps too.
It does. Who would have thought? You can make a ring fly.